everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I am honored to show you a new collection by Spellbinders. This is the Floral Friendship collection. This is brand new, just launched, and they did send this to me to create for you guys. So I am super excited to jump in and start playing with it, so I wanted to make sure I show it to you before I mess it all up. So the first thing is this Floral Friendship paper pad. I already took it apart while I was looking at it, just because I was super excited. So there are 40 sheets of 6x6. There are 10 designs. 5 of them are foiled. So you'll have a lot, like 20 pages of foiled accents in here. So it's super cool. They are one-sided. So, and again, I messed up the paper. It didn't come messed up. So this one is my absolute favorite. I really love this. It feels very junk journal-y to me. So that will be the inspiration for what I do with these. And then I'll just show you. And then they're just white on the other side, which I absolutely love that because it gives me freedom to put it on anything. Yeah. Do anything with the background, but you guys already know that about me. Look at that foil. How cool is that? So very cool. I've put these in a different order than they were originally in the packet while I was trying to figure out what I was doing. So just know that that is the reason they're all messed up. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So they look like this in the paper pack. So very nice, very pretty. And then they have these gorgeous butterflies. Now, the thing about these butterflies is they are 3D, super cool. Glad that they're going to make it part of their normal collection. This is Floral Friendship. So those are the little butterflies. And then they've got these gemstones. A couple came loose in shipping, but gorgeous gemstones to use as accents. And then they have 3 die cut, chipboard die cut, thick paper. I can't think of it. I'm just so excited. Cardstock die cuts here, and then this one's chipboard. Let's show you what they look like. So these are super cool for cards, of course. Absolutely great for card kits, quick card making. I'm going to do something a little bit different. Well, not different for me, but different than cards. I'm going to make a junk journal. Surprise, surprise. So I've already taken 10 cards. 10 cards that I got from the Spellbinders Kit of the Month Club. I bought a couple of them, or actually I got a mystery box and one came in it. So I glued 10 cards together. And this page right here, I just put the glue down the end because I plan on using it as, I don't know, a place to tuck stuff in, a tuck spot, or an envelope, or whatever you want to call it, just like an opening. But I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it on the top, if I wanted to cut down the side, if I wanted to put it on the side. So I left it open so that each page I could determine what I wanted to do with it. I will probably be gluing the bottom of each page, and possibly the side if I want it for the top, or the top if I want it for the side, or whatever. So that's all I did was I used gel medium and glued each one together. Just put a thin line, not even thin, it's kind of thick, down the end there, lined it up, and then I put a coating on here just to make sure everything stuck together. I used my clips, just the Tim Holtz clips, and I held it together for 24 hours. I didn't need 24 hours, just that's how long I happen to do it because it's Monday night right now that I'm recording this, and I did it Sunday night, so that's it. You can absolutely just cover it as is, maybe put some lace over the binding, or you can put it inside, so glue this piece and this piece down inside of a book, if you want to do a hard cover or cover it with fabric, if you want to do a soft cover. There's so many options you can do, but I just wanted a nice little journal that used, or showcased, I should say, a lot of the papers. And I think that this will do a good job because it's a really good size. I was thinking about turning these into a 6x6, but I wasn't quite sure. And I mean, I still could. Technically, I could just use this as the frame and just glue it on like this with one piece like this. And I still absolutely could do a 6x6, easy peasy like that. Not a problem. Or there's so many things you can do with these. It is ridiculous. So super excited for that. And let me show you what they sent in the little die cuts. There's so many cool pieces in here. There's 180 in this package. This is the Floral Friendship. And then there's 154 in this one. This is the Floral Friendship Sentiments. So super cool birds, flowers, leaves. Let's just do this to show it to you. Show it all to you. There's 2 of each. Some have the white lining, some don't, which is perfectly fine. Absolutely depends on what you're making, if you keep it, if you cut it, what your preferences are. For the flowers, I'll probably keep most of it. For the bird, I might cut it. But again, it depends on what I'm doing. Sometimes it's great to have a white border. There's a lot of little ones in here, which I think will be great because they're like foiled accents. Which is one of the things I love from Spellbinders is their foil paper. In some of their kits, you've probably seen this. Oops. I love doing die cuts with this because look at that. That stays in place. So this reminds me of that. It's not foil, but it is like a foiled die cut. So that's pretty cool. So look at these pretty flowers. They're like watercolor flowers. Some of them are like watercolor flowers. They're very, very pretty. And then the Sentiments package is a perfect addition to whatever you're going to make with these. Absolutely great for cards, but I think it'll work out really well for a journal too. So you fill my heart, and there's 2 of each as well. You fill my heart, happy, thanks, sending, amazing, hello, thinking of you. So perfect, thanks, perfect card sentiments. Be well, my friends. Sweet memories, so good for not sketchbooking. Scrapbooking. Oh my goodness, that took way too long to think of. I'm getting old, you guys. Thank you. You melt my heart. Handmade with love. Thinking, thanks for making me smile. And again, there's 2 of each of these. Wishing you all the best. Some pretty little hearts. May you bloom and grow. Oh, happy day. Little message to say. So see, these are perfect. Some of these are perfect for cards. Get well with sympathy. Happy birthday. But I'm excited to get started. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. I'm not sure what I'm going to create. Well, I know what I'm going to create. I'm just not sure what it's going to look like. So let's jump in and create. Thanks for watching.